Students, as I have told you, most of the problems are arising due to the present day lifestyle, which includes a sedentary lifestyle, improper diet plan. So all these things are responsible for different kind of disease. So one of the other disease which is the cause of results due to sedentary lifestyle or improper nutrition, that is the hypertension. Hypertension is basically, here it is mentioned all those things like I have told you, sedentary lifestyles and poor eating habits. This is causing that hypertension problem. What symptoms are there? So it is basically characterized by high BP. That means the BP level will be high as compared to the normal range. Let us see what is the range in these para range. In these para ranges are explained, which I am just explaining you through this table. What is the normal ब्लड प्रेशर? दैट इज़ द 120 mmHg तक रहेगा, 120 mmHg या इससे कम, और डायस्टोलिक प्रेशर होगा 80 mmHg. सिस्टोल मीन्स जब आपका हार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करता है और ब्लड को पुश करता है तो आपको पता है ब्लड उस टाइम क्या होगा, प्रेशर ज़्यादा होगा. डायस्टोलिक मतलब जब हार्ट रिलैक्स करता है और हार्ट के चैम्बर में ब्लड एंटर करता है, दैट इज़ द डायस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर. जब रिलैक्स कंडीशन में ब्लड है तो रिलैक्स कंडीशन में हार्ट है तब क्या ब्लड प्रेशर क्रिएट हो रहा है. देन थोड़ा सा बढ़ा है उस टाइम पे कितना फ्लक्चुएशन होगा, 120 to 129, और डायस्टोलिक कितना रहेगा, वो लेस देन या इक्वल टू 80 mmHg तक रहेगा. बट अगर हाइपर टेंशन आ गया तो इसमें सिस्टोलिक जिसमें प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, दैट इज़ 130 to 139 mmHg, एंड डायस्टोलिक विल बी 80 to 89 mmHg. स्टेज 2 होगा तो इट विल बी मोर देन और इक्वल टू 140 mmHg, and systolic will be more than or equal to 90 mmHg. Check this out. Hypersensitive case, if it will be more than 180 mmHg, and diastolic would be the more than 120 mmHg. So this data is very convenient if you want to know कि hypertension के किस स्टेज पे है patient. So 130 to 189 या 139 approximately. Stage 1, stage 2 140 90 से ज़्यादा या इसके इक्वल टू, एंड हाइपर सेंसिटिव केस जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज होने के चांसेस है, दैट इज़ 180 mmHg टू 120 मोर देन इट और इक्वल टू दिस वन. क्या फिजियोलॉजिकल डैमेज होगा इन केस ऑफ hypertension? So in case of a hypertension, first of all, damage to arteries will occur because the blood would be flowing with a tremendous speed, which will result in the deposition of fat and the other material in the vessels, and in turn it will narrow the lumen, and the walls which are having elasticity, they will lose its elasticity. In turn, the arteries will get damaged, and it can result in a disease like coronary artery disease, which ultimately may result in the heart attack too. Then damage to heart, because blood is being pumped by heart, so tremendous pressure would be there in the heart. Inside the heart also there would be risk of angina, that means pain on the chest can occur, irregular heartbeat can occur, irregular rhythm can occur, risk of heart attack is also there. Then because things are flowing with a tremendous speed in whole body, that means the blood, so it will also go into the brain, and there it can, because in brain those blood vessels which supply blood are extremely delicate, extremely sure that you can say these are thin. When they get burst up, they forms the clot, and these clot when restricts the flow of blood within the brain, and it may also result into the death or brain hemorrhage, we can say, that can result. Then damage to kidney, the same thing is with the kidney has to filter blood, it has to remove impurity. So if the blood would be flowing with the pressure in its artery, its arteries will get damaged, and in turn it will result in the damage of kidney. The same thing is with the eye also. The eye also, blood pressure will result in the, so what will happen, blood vessels रेटिना को ब्लड सप्लाई कर रहा है, और जब डैमेज होगा तो डैमेज मतलब जिस वेन्स के थ्रू या वेसल्स के थ्रू आपका ब्लड सप्लाई हो रहा है, अगर वही डैमेज हो जाएंगे तो पर्सन विल बी हैविंग ब्लर विजन, और यह उनकी पूरा विजन लॉस हो सकता है. देन स्लीपिंग डिसऑर्डर इज ऑल्सो नोटेड डाउन. So the problem of hypertension, because they get panic attack or they feel restlessness, so that happens. Now the causes of hypertension, this data you have to read, okay, which data is there. Now let us see what are these. Modifiable risk factor relatively fixed और नॉन मॉडिफाइबल रिस्क फैक्टर, मतलब ऐसा चीज़ जिसको आप छोड़ सकते हो और आपका हाइपरटेंशन कंट्रोल हो जाएगा, बट कुछ ऐसी चीज़ जिस पे आपका कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है, इट इज़ नेचर, like smoking and sick hand and all these things are there. Sorry, smoking is there.